Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Ryland Farms. I'm Jake, your host. These are some of my bees. Some more of my bees. This is kind of what it all started with, beekeeping. I moved out to my dad's property in the Mojave Desert in California. I grew up in Orange County, California. And I started a sort of a farm. Like I said, it was originally beekeeping, and then I got chickens. Now I'm building a bigger chicken coop, which is what you see right here. I've been hatching out chicks. Quite a few of them. These are some trailers my dad's been working on. That's the school bus I live in. It's a 1998 Thomas. Or 99, sorry, I think. It's a little messy, but it's a work in progress. Got an oven, working on the counter, wood stove, which is out of use now because it's warming up finally, and a bunch of other junk. There's my first chicken coop. Just one nesting box. I started out with 10 chickens, or 10 chicks last year. Now there's 5 that remain that live in that coop. The rest succumbed to coyotes. In addition to the chickens and the bees, I started some fruit trees. This is a peach. This one I really love. This is a mulberry. It's about to ripen. My girlfriend, who you'll see eventually, lives about an hour away, and as well as her grandpa lives between here and there. And he inspired me with his huge mulberry, so I got one. Here's an apricot. There was a pear there. That was the one that didn't make it. This is the first fruit tree I planted. It's a plum. Here's another plum. She's going in there to lay an egg. She always makes a ruckus. Here is the pear that is surviving. It's got some blossoms. And finally, pomegranate, which is getting buds, but they've been getting eaten by aphids, unfortunately. It's actually not the last tree. But before I show you the last tree, gotta show you my garden. Some garlic. These are either cucumbers or cantaloupes. Watermelon. The chickens got in here yesterday. They pecked it a little bit. It's a grape. There's corn. Some sunflowers from last year. volunteers. There's tomatoes here, all along there. Some more tomatoes, more corn, lavender plants, sage, cilantro, spinach, Brussels sprouts, some more corn that got devoured by my chickens because I didn't latch my gate, more tomatoes. More tomatoes. That is chamomile, I believe. Chamomile. More Brussels sprouts. More garlic. I'm pretty sure this is parsley, but I don't remember planting it, so it might be a weed. Oh yeah, artichokes. There's a couple of those. And then throughout here is mostly just cantaloupes, watermelons, squash. That's about it. Now for the last tree. This one is another mulberry, but it's a slightly different variety. Its berries are much longer than the other one. I believe it's called a Pakistan mulberry. The other one's just a basic black mulberry. Unfortunately though, with this one, the wind seems to knock off the unripe berries before they ripen, so because it gets very windy out here. This is my dad's tool machine shop, wood shop. He's a big woodworker. It's also where I am incubating my chicken eggs. There's 15 in there right now. Temperature's good. This is where I've been keeping the eggs to be incubated at around 65 degrees. Apparently they last longer if you keep them cool, so hopefully that works. Once I get about 15 more in that cooler, I'll put them in the incubator with the other ones. So yeah, that's about it. We're on 2.5 acres out here. Like I said, I started with beekeeping when I moved out here. I've been out here about a year now, a little over a year. And hopefully everything continues to grow. There's 2 chicks that are supposed to be in that new coop I'm building, but they got out this morning. I'll put them back in tonight. These ones were hatched by a broody hen, not the incubator, so they've been free ranging since they hatched. And this right here is where it all started, the first ever beehive. still going strong a year later. That's it for now. Hopefully I'll be making more videos in the future. If you like chickens, if you like bees, if you like gardening, tune back in. Hopefully there'll be a new video.